Let's draw this roller in front of us. So we're gonna go new there. Since our dimensions are in inches, we're gonna go English. Standard inches, we're gonna go create. Once we're in here, we're gonna start with our circles. So I think we have 5 circles. So 1, then we go 2, we go 3, then we go for the 4th one and the 5th one. We also have to put this small circle here. This one here is the one that you're gonna see here. You see that one, that's whole there. So then we're gonna come here and put it there. Now we're gonna go for dimensions. So that's one there need to be 3 inches. And the second one need to be 2.75. And the third one need to be 2.5. Okay. Now, this one here will be 1 inches, and this one will be 0.75. Now, this one will be 0.25 inches. Then we say, okay. So once we here, we're gonna have to multiply this circle, and then first we need to give dimensions there. So that one there is 0.875 inches. Okay, now we're gonna multiply the circle now 5 times. So we're gonna go on circle pattern. Okay, then we're gonna choose our drawing, and then against this axis, now not 6 times but 5 times. And then you're gonna say, okay, you can see there those 5 circles. You're gonna say, okay, now we have them. Then from here we're gonna go on 3D now, and then we're gonna click extrude. We come here, so we'll make sure that our size goes, both sides of our drawing plane. So we're gonna choose that function, right? Then we're gonna go, this side will be 1 inches, and the other side will be 0.125 inches here. All right, so once we have that, we're gonna come here. We're gonna make sure that this whole thing here, okay, first we need to go visibility on. Okay, so now what I was saying is we're gonna come here. Okay, we're gonna extrude again. We come here. This whole thing here need to be extruded by 0.125 inches. So we're gonna choose that function. Okay, then we extrude it by 0.125 inches. Okay, so once we have that one, what we're gonna do now is we're gonna come for the one inside, the one that you're seeing there. Okay, so here what we're gonna do is we're gonna extrude, then we come here, we click on it. Okay, so we go one side by 1 point. Okay, we come there 1.125. okay, and the other side by 0.25 inches, like that. Right, as you can see, your drawing is done, the same as this one here, but we need to cut that part there to create that way for our roller. So we're going to extrude again, we come closer, we click there, then we cut it by 0.875. not that way, we do this. Okay, 0.875, click that function, put here 0.875. okay, so now that is done, we're gonna say okay, then we go for visibility off. We right click on our mouse, and then Here we go. The next thing that you want to do now is to choose your material. Those should be steel alloy or carbon steel. So you come here, you go and then you say where is steel alloy, carbon steel, you click on it. Here is how your roller looks like. So it was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share. For now, I ask you to take care of yourself. See you on the next video. Bye.